Okay, we're going to paint our head now, and we have this clown here that we're going to paint. I'm going to take a pencil and we'll mark these. This kind of separates your marks for your teeth, so they kind of stand out a little more like that. So now we're going to paint the head, and I've used different cutouts that I've used here that we're going to use. I've cut these different ones out that I can use. So as a pattern, so I keep these, so I have these handy if I need them. So we're going to start painting this. It's all wood. We're going to paint the mouth. We got hands for him, and we have feet for him. I'm going to just use an acrylic water-based paint for this. If you like my figures, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. All my figures I make are for sale, so if you see anything that you like, you can contact me on my Facebook page, Daniel Cuzno, and let me know there what you're interested in. Like I say, everything I make I do sell. I like to keep the wood figures alive and well. You see so many now that are Muppet type figure, or they're a plastic, which are beautiful, but I prefer the old style wooden ones. So we'll go ahead and get him painted up, and then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.